everyone. Today I am going to solve the chapter 3 of the word part of the Pearson MyITLab course. If you want me to do any other part like Excel part, Assess part or PowerPoint part, or if you want me to do your Cengage course or Simnet course or Maths course, Stats course, Finance course, Accounting course or any other course, I will do that one for you. And if you in order to contact with me, you can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Now I am going to start that one assignment. Its name is Exp22 word chapter 3 cumulative tourism. Its project description is given here. You can read it carefully so you will understand what you need to do in this project. I am going to start from the first step. So after following these steps, you can complete your work. In our first step, he is asking start Word, download and open the file name exp22 Word chapter 3 cumulative tourism. Gradle has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. That's our first step involves the downloading of the Word file from the Pearson MyITLab dashboard. In order to complete this assignment, you need following files. These files you need member CSV file and member Excel file also for to complete this one file. I have already downloaded and opened that one file. That's our Word file. This one we need to submit after completing all the steps. That's our step number 1. In our step number 2, what is he asking? Place the insertion point at the end of the document. So we will go to the end of the document, and that's our end of the document. And what is he asking? Insert 2 cross 1 table. Adjust the width of the first column to 2 inches. So we will insert the table. We will go to the insert tab and select 2-1. That's our table. And what other things he is asking? Adjust the width of first column to 2 inches. So we will select the first column and change its width to 2 inches. Now. And what next we need to do? Apply table style of list table to ascent 6. So we will apply list table to ascent 6. That's our list table 2 ascent 6. We will apply that one. That's now applied to our table. And what next he is asking? In the third step, what is he asking? Center the newly created table horizontally. Select the table and apply shading gray ascent 3 light 20 light 80%. So we will select the table and center that one horizontally. We will select that one center horizontally. That's now center horizontally. And what next we will do? We need to select the table and apply shading of gray ascent 3 lighter 80. So we need to apply shading. What is he asking? Which one shading he is asking? Gray ascent 3 lighter 80. Gray ascent 3 lighter 80. That's applied to our table. That's our step number 3. In our step number 4, what is he asking? Insert a row between the first and the second row of the first table. So we will go to the first table and insert a row. That's our first table. He is asking to insert a row here in this. That's first and between first and second row. That's our step. Type destination in the first cell. So we will copy that one and type in the first cell. That's our thing we will type it here. That's our place. And what next we will do? Type this description in the next cell. So in the next cell we will type description. That's our cell. We will type it here as a description. And what next the thing we will do, and type C2 rating in the last one on the row. So we will type the last one in the last cell, C2 rating. That's our step number 4. In our step number 5, what is he asking? Insert a column at the right of the last column in the table. So we will insert a column at the right of the last column. That's our column. What next he asked to do? Type appropriate visitor per year in the last cell of the second row. So that's our last row, last column. That's our second row. We will type it here. Approximate year and visitor. And what the thing next we need to do? Type data in the final two column of the table. So we will type it that one. We will type one by one. In the next, what we will type? We will type first appropriate visitor per year, then we will type the rating. In the third one, type it here. Fourth one, we will copy and type it here. For the next one, we will copy one by one and type in the required cells. And what next? Only last two cells remaining now. Now for the rating column, we will copy and paste one by one. So I will start making 8796. So we will type 8, then 7, then 9, then 6. And what next he is asking to do after 6? 9, 10, 7, 8. We will type 9, then 10, and then last two are 7, 8. 7 and 8, that one. That's our step number 5. In our sixth step, what is he asking? Select the first table, select the border style of the double solid line, half PT ascent 3. Apply the selection to the outside border. Auto-fit the content of the table. So we will select the table first table. That's our first table. We will apply borders to that one. He is asking to apply double line border. What is he is asking to do? Double solid lines. So we will apply double solid line. We will apply open that one. We will select the double solid line. These are the double solid lines with the color. Which one color he is asking? Half PT ascent 3. We will select half PT. And what is he asking? Ascent 3 row 3 column 4. We will select row 3 column 4, that's the color we need to apply. And what next? He is asking auto fit the content. Apply the selection to outside borders. So we will apply the selection to outside border. We will do. We will select here double line borders. Select half pt borders. That's our outside border. We need to apply only outside border. That's our step number. And auto fit the content of the table. So we will auto fit the content of the table now. Select the table and double click here. So then that's now content is auto fit. That's our step number 6. In our step number 7, what is he asking? Select the first row of the table and merge cell. So we will select the first row and merge cell. That's our first row. We will right click and select merge cell. That's now merged. And what next we is asking to do? Center the text in the first row. So we will apply center text. In the home tab we will apply center text. And next he is asking to do apply shading of light gray background to darker 50. So we will apply shading of light gray background to, we will light gray background to light gray background to darker 50. We will apply darker 50. That's now shading we will apply to our cells, required cells. Change the font color of the text in the first row to white background 1. Bold the text in the center and change the font size to 14. So we will change the color. We will change the white background 1. Apply bold text and then increase the font size to 14. That's our step number 7. In our step number 8, what is he asking? Select the row 2 through the end of the table and apply shading of light gray background 2. So we will select the up to row 2 and up to last, and we will apply in the table design, we will apply shading of light gray background 2. That's now applied to our table. Now for we will select the all the table, not only the first 3. That shading is applied. Use the border painter to copy the double line border format from an outside border and apply each vertical grid line within the table. So we will select the border painter. That's our border painter. We will apply here double side border. In this way we will select one by one and apply that one. That's our vertical borders. We have applied a vertical border inside the table. That's our step number 8. In our step number 9, what is he asking? Apply align center alignment to all text in the second row of the content, so both horizontally and vertically centered. So we will select the second row. That's our second row. We will apply both vertically and that's now centered. That's now centered both vertically and horizontally. What next he is asking to do? Apply align center to all the text of the first and third column. So we will select first and third column and apply center alignment. So we will select first and third column. That's our first column. We will apply center alignment, and for the third column we will apply also center alignment. That's our center alignment. Next, select all the number in the last column and apply align center alignment. So we will select all the in the last for this one column we need to apply the center alignment, and for the last one we have applied already center alignment. That's our step number 9. In our 10th step, what is he asking? Include a caption that read table 1 data provided by the nation conservational fund. We need to include the caption. That's now inserted our caption for the table. That's our step number 10. We have total 19 steps in this assignment. I have performed 10 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you want me to do your any other course like business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, or any other Cengage course or Simnet course, or if you want me to do any other part of like Excel assignments or assess assignments, PowerPoint assignment, you can contact me. You can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given in the thumbnail of the video and in the thumbnail of the channel. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new updates. Thank you.